Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Kange tukze nyerzong ne tawa thamje pame cherdambe chene tunze ba gutam de la gechan sal sarva drishti prana. Ya saddharmam deshyat anukampam upadaya tam namasyami Gautamam. Everybody, good afternoon. A few days before I have, posted, about information about, the Buddha's, miracle, the stories which has happened in this period from the first moon to the 15th moon. The full moon still not come yet. After 2 days, full moon is coming. So I recorded in Hindi language because many of Himalayan devotees and students requested to me this. What does mean of Chontul Dawa? What does mean of this Tibetan lunar calendar first month? Why it is called the Chontul Dawa? But many of people, they know it is the the special timing of the the Buddha have demonstrated the different kind of how to say miracles towards the heretic people. Yeah, so there were the six the master who were the heretic, and totally their view and their perspective is totally different than Buddha's way of thinking. So in order to tame those heretic teachers, the six different heretic teachers, Buddha have shown it. In fact, this showing miracle powers and this superficial powers is not allowed in Buddha Dhamma. Yeah? There was one story when the Buddha was dwelling into the bamboo grove near Rajgriha, which is opened by King Bimbasara. At that time, the one of the Buddha's great disciple, Mahamoggallana Putra, yeah, Mahamoggallana and the young monk, his name was Pindul Bhardwaj, They went outside for alms, and when they coming back from there, and just in front of the bamboo grove, there were the one one guy was there because he found something like very special, the sandalwood, and he make craft it and make a very special pot, and very special and very unique. And he was just waiting outside of the gate of the bamboo grove, and he don't believe that somebody can show very strong miracle power and something, something very special. I mean the miracles, yeah. So then, especially he don't believe that Buddhist monks can able to show the miracle power. This and he has a misconception, the wrong thinking inside his mind. So he made this special sandalwood, make some special, the special pot, and looks very nice, also very smelly and very auspicious, very rare to find this type of wood. And he make it, and he was waiting there when the Mahamoggallana and the Pindul Bhardwaj, the Buddhist monk, was coming there, and this guy was shouting there, who have able to show the miracle power, and they can get this, the pot which is made by the sandalwood, and they hang it to the, very long, tall there, about the bamboo stick, the bind, and then put about 20 feet or 20 feet or 20 meter, however. So they hang there, and he was shouting there, the making big slogan, who can, who wish to get this special pot, and you can get it from there, then it's goes to belonging to them. Something I don't believe that you have some miracle power, this and that. I don't believe, but still I have I am giving to chance you to. If you have miracle power, go up, flew up and take it, and it goes to belong to you, something like that. And he was shouting very, loudly. And at that time, then this young monk was surprising why the Mahamudgaliyan is not flying up and taking it. Because this guy is shouting that they don't have power, no miracles, and just they are, something like deceiving other people, cheating other people, something. But according to the Buddha's instruction, the showing the miracle powers to the general people is not allowed. Ordinary people is not allowed because the Buddha Dharma is to show them the right path to go to the stage of liberation and enlightenment. If they start to show the miracle powers and people believe it and they don't encourage to do the proper practice to develop their wisdom and also in order to wash up all disorder in the mind. So that's why Buddha have not allowed to show the miracle powers, yeah. But then this guy was shouting, oh, monks don't have any power, any miracle power, don't have power, this and that. And Mahamudgaliyan is not showing anything. Then these young monks immediately thinking, I want to show this miracle to here in order to, defeat him, tame his mind, which is, the holding totally misconception. We have a lot of, even he has very strong miracle power. In order to develop miracle power, if your shamatha meditation is in proper way, still you can show it. So this Pindul Bhardwaj, he was waiting for Mahamudgaliyan, but he is not showing this. Then he used this miracle power and flew up and jumped up and take this sandalwood down, and then he held it. Then all the peoples were, making the big, how to say, like, the procession, yeah, how to say protest, like, they are making. Not protest, but they are very happy. Oh, Buddha is the victor, and this monk is with Buddha is powerful. Jeho Buddha, Buddha is the great, something like this. All the peoples are queued up with these monks and Mahamudgaliyan, but Mahamudgaliyan was very quiet and how to in the silence mode, and they enter into the Jetavana Grove. At that time, the Buddha was giving teaching, and at that time, Buddha says. Why they are shouting, then they says this, and Buddha become very upset. He was showing the deeds of upset, and he called to the Pindul Bhardwaj, who have shown the miracle, the Buddhist young monk, and he scrawled to him, why you have shown this thing? This is not necessary. Now the people don't believe into the real Dhamma. They believe into this type of miracle power and this type of, the super power, and they believe it only catch it, hold it, and nobody wish to do the proper, the samatha meditation, vipassana. He scroll it, and where is this pot? Then he took it and make it many pieces and throw out it. And also Buddha encouraged to all of monks, this type of miracles is not allowed to show because it's disturbed to the ordinary people to develop the real Dharma practice. So he actually don't very interested to show this type of the superficial powers, this miracle powers, actually not allowed, but in fact, according to the Mahayana concept, the Buddha is before Buddha, all 12 deeds are all the Buddha's deeds, but in Theravadin way, the 9 deeds are the deeds of Bodhisattva and the lay ordinary Bodhisattva, and then 10, 11, 12, getting enlightenment, turning the wheel of Dharma, and entering into Mahaparinirvana. These 3 deeds are only belonging to Buddha. They believe in that way. But according to the Mahayana, Buddha is Buddha when he was born. He was getting born in Lumbini. So that's why immediately when he born in Lumbini, at that time he have shown the miracles or some blessing. Immediately the 7 lotus grown up from the earth, and he stepped on it. And he was saying, I'm the Buddha, and came to here to help to the people, something like this. This type of, many things there happened, Also, after getting enlightenment, Buddha went to the one rainy season, he went to the 33 categories of the God realms, and he know that his mother is took rebirth there, and he went there and have given teaching to his mother upon the Abhidhamma, and after 3 months, when the rainy seasons retreat over, after benefiting his own mother and many of the, the gods, realms, the beings, give benefit for them, and he came down to the one place in India, Shankasiya. Those are all miracles here. Otherwise, how can go to this God realm and this and that? Actually have there. But in fact, the Buddha was taught to show the miracle powers, because that is not the proper way to get a state of enlightenment and state of liberation. Not a proper way to get a state of arhataship, and not get a state of achieve the state of fully enlightenment, Buddhahood. So that's why it was not allowed. But then question will arise, why he have shown all of these miracles in these 15 days according to the Tibetan lunar calendar. The first month after that, when Losar starts, Tibetan New Year starts, from there to till this full moon is coming day after tomorrow. So he have shown the different type of miracle powers. Actually, the king from the Rajgriha, his name was Bimbasara, he requested to the Buddha to show the miracle power, because many complaints are arisen there. Buddhas don't have power, this and that, this and that. And other thing is wrong concept arisen into the heretic masters. They know that Buddha are not allowed to show the miracle power, because he stopped to the monks to show the miracle powers, and they just ask question to the Buddha to why you are not showing miracle power. They was thinking Buddha he won't show any miracle because he's don't like, and he know that this is useless to get a stage of enlightenment. Then they was thinking maybe they get the weak pain from Buddha from there, and they have shown the many miracle powers, and people follow to them. They are thinking, and because of this concept, and they ask question to the Buddha, why you are not showing miracle? You don't know how to show the miracle powers. You don't have enough potential and capability to show the miracle powers. This type of things comes due to these cases, this complaining too much from the heretic side, and King Bhimsara did the 3 prostration and made 3 circumambulation to Buddha, and sat down again, requested Buddha, please have shown miracle power in miracles in order to benefiting all sentient beings. And he also requested to you have Buddha please show this miracle demonstration, make this miracle, the performance and demonstration in Shravasti, not in Rajgriha. Then after that, he sent all messages here and there, Uddiyana and many Buddhist kings, and King Bhimsara. He also went to the Shravasti, and there in the huge gathering, these 6 heretic master, like Punna Kassapa was the very great master, and Ajitikesh Kambala, and Sanjaya, and Nigant, and those are the heretic the teachers. Their view of point is different. Their perspective is different, totally different than Buddha's view. So those are like Pakut Kachayana, Makkali Gosal, Sanjali Velliput, Nigant. How to say, Nigant, Nathput, those are the 6 heretic teachers. They always disturb to the Buddha, and very big problems to the in the society. For Buddha, no problem. Buddha is out of conception because of Buddha, but in the society they are making always disbalance, and they think Buddha have not allowed to show the miracle power. He stopped to his monks. So then King Bhimsara encouraged to the Buddha, the request to Buddha. Then after the Buddha, when he was in Shravasti and one place there, then he have shown this miracle power, saying at the time, normally, the Buddha is the Buddha, in the 3, first he generated the bodhicitta. After that 3 countless eons, he accumulated the merit of wisdom and merit of accumulation. Then after that he got enlightenment. He have shown the enlightenment deeds in the Bodhigaya under the Bodhi tree. Then after that continually 49 years turning the wheel of Dharma. Every people know. Among them, some stories says, I have seen in the Pali canon somewhere in the books that after 7 years or some 8 year he have shown this miracle power in Shravasti. But also in the Kapilavastu he have shown some the miracles in order to benefiting all sentient beings to the protect the Buddha Dharma in perfect way. So in the first lunar of first moon of Tibetan lunar calendars, the first month, then first day was King of Prasenjita have worship to the Buddha, and I mean to Buddham Pujami, Dhammam Pujami, Sangham Pujami. Then after that, 6 heretic people's groups are in other side, and Buddha's followers in other side, and there they have started to show the miracle power. This small mountain still you can see in the near Shravasti. Before reaching the Shravasti, the left side of the highway road, there is, if you have chance to go to the Shravasti, then you can see there. So there the first day, the King of Prasenjita have worshipped to Buddha and took refuge to Buddha. And at that time, what happened, then when after the offering the worship to the Buddha, then he took the one, the branch of one tree. Normally Indian people use for the toothbrush, it's a neem. Yeah, he took that one, and after he was just doing like this and put into the earth, and immediately he's go down and gone away big trees, very big trees full of flowers, leaves, and fruit and these things. And on the spot, people have seen this miracle in front of the people, and all the people delight to see this kind of miracles from the Buddha. Then other side also have shown. Then the second moon of this Tibetan first month, the second moon, then at that time the one king, his Udayan from the Kaushambi, he have worshipped to Buddha and took refuge to Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha, all the people. Then after having the lunch, and Buddha have cleaned his hand, at the time they eat the food with the right hand, in very, very disciplined way. After eating food, when he was washing his hands, and it's the water, the dropping into the earth, immediately he have shown that when the water dropped down, the big pound, the full of, the lotus flower, and having the delicious smells, and it separated all over that place. Also in the all environment become very, very, beautiful with the good smell. And this is the second. I'm making it short because in order to have some knowledge of this Chontul Dawa, the month of the miracles which have shown by the Buddha with the competition with heretic masters. So then after third of lunar, then he have demonstrated by the miracle power the 2 big mountain, right and left. And on that mountain, immediately grown up many types of herbs, very special, the grass and flowers, and full of good smelly, the energetic smelly. And again, he made all environment, very, very cleaned through by this smell, he separated all over there. This have seen by all of audience which were gathering there, both sides. Then after that, fourth moon of this Tibetan first month, Tibetan lunar calendar, then he have demonstrated, he have demonstrated through by miracle power the south, west, east, north, from the east, west, south, north, everywhere he have manifested to the special, the water canal, the canals, and full of water, clean water was moving there. From there the sound is coming, all the phenomena are impermanence, all contaminated things are miserable, all the phenomena are selflessness, and the nirvana is the the state of peacefulness. And this, and also for immeasurable the thoughts, the sounds, may all sentient beings feel happy. May all sentient beings feel don't get any suffer. May all sentient beings feel the superior blissfulness. May all sentient beings' mind settle into the equanimous, something this kind of. something like this, Sarva Sanskritam Anityam Sarva Sashravaka Dugdayaka Sarva Dhammam Anicca Shunyata Cha Nibbanam Param Santang, something this type of songs coming into this water, from this water, and everybody, the all audience have heard it, so this type in the fourth moon. Then the fifth moon, then after that, the Brahma and Vishnu, they worshipped Buddha, took refuge, and all the audience there. Then Buddha was there, and from the Buddha's body, he separated very powerful the rays, the lightning, the white, blue, green, the yellow, and so all the lightning spreading all over universe. They are all over area. Also, it goes to the whole universe, and very blissful when people touch this rays into their their body and feel very peacefulness and calmness. This type of miracle happened on the fifth moon of Tibetan lunar calendar, the first month. So everybody feel the blessing through by their body, feel by their body, mind, and also their speech become very, very, the silence totally mod in become like this. In the sixth moon, Buddha has shown he had performed the miracle. At that time, the Lichvi is very special society in India. That says in the history that is the first democratic society in India. Lichvi Kannaraja, first Republicans, the state of the India at that time, 2,564 years before. In ancient India, it was located nearby Bodh Gaya, about 150 kilometers from there, the side of the Ganges River. So those peoples are become very devoted and become very, very strong, the Buddha's devotee, and many of those attend Arhataship. Among them, the one, the Vimalakirti, he was from the Lichvi, Vaishali. And this Lichvi is worshipped to Buddha and took refuge into Buddha Dhamma and Sangha. And at that time, according to the people's, the interested mind and tendency, and all the peoples, when Buddha was sitting on the throne, and at that time, automatically every people have seen something like very strong connection with Buddha inside to them, and they feel very coolness and happiness inside to them. And every people have, the spontaneously, naturally to praise to the Buddha. Buddha, you are the great Guru. We take refuge into you, into Dhamma, and into Sangha, something like this. This type of miracle things are demonstrated by Buddha on the the sixth moon of the first month of Tibetan lunar calendar. All of these things are happened. Now today is 12. Then after that, the seven, the Buddha is his own people. He is from the Shakya dynasty. The Shakya peoples, young princes and young Shakyas gathered there in the Shravasti. Thousands of people were there with the different society, and Shakyas worshipped to the Buddha, took refuge into the Buddha. And after that, when the Shakyas were there, then at that time, the Buddha have shown, and every individual Shakya people, they feel they are like chakra wheel holder king. The very, very dignitive and very, very special kings. They have feel, and they also have seen their body is all changed from the Buddha's blessing, and many rays comes from the Buddhas and touching their body. They are transforming into the kingship figure, and this type of things have seen by all of audience there. Not only Shakya people, everybody, whoever there, and they feel like there's like a great king, the wheel holder king, and this and that. And this type of, the miracles have happened there, transformed with, the ornamented by many jewelries, like, the precious, the blue stone, the Indranila, the red stone, the Padmaraga, and the blue stone, the Veduriya, and so this and that. It's happened there like the flushing there immediately, and the environment become all like a very huge pure land with full of kings, something like this. He had demonstrated this type of miracles there. Yeah. Then after the 8th moon, he has shown the Koshik. Koshik is the king of the one god realm. The Indra and Koshik is same. When you recite the Ashtasasrika Pragya Paramita, I mean the 8,000 stanza Pranjana Paramita, inside have the many discussion between Buddha and Koshik. Koshik asked question to the Buddha, and Buddha was replying to him. This Koshik came there and worshipped to Buddha and Dhamma and Sangha. Then after that, this competition thing started. Then at that time, Buddha was sitting on the big throne. Firstly, he was sitting on very simple throne. Is converted into the very big throne through by the miracle power. And in the big throne was, the spot up, down to up by the five like how to say, five the spirits, but visible spirit. I mean the demons, how to say. And after that, few Garudas, and especially the lions and the Vajrapani, and there are an elephant also. So that's why nowadays you can see the Buddha's throne have the four sides, have different animals. One side is elephant, one side is peacock, one side is how to say the something like looks like man but with the wings, something like this, and one side is elephant, horse, and something like this. And actually at that time, the 8th lunar Buddha have shown that the elephants are making sound like a lion roar or something like. Lions are making sound like an elephant sound, something. Then all the Vajrapani in very wrathful way, and the very, very, the how to say, inconceivable the views appear in front of there. Many of heretic, the masters and beings run away at that time. They scared because this was the very, very incomparable, how to say, the incomparable miracles have shown. So from here, 8 lunar, then 9 to the 15 lunar is the incomparable one. Before that, and they have also shown, and heretic also, Buddha have shown, then a heretic master also have shown. They have competition. From the 8 lunar to the 15 lunar, only Buddha can able to show the, the inconceivable, incomparable, the miracles. Then after that, all defeated, Defeated means their mind already tamed and pacified it, and all of those, the masters even took refuge to Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha, and they could able to understand the power of Buddha, and they able to follow the Buddha, Dhamma, and many of those people also become a great arhata and master, and it's helped to the promote to the Dhamma in order to benefiting all sentient beings. So this happened on the 8th lunar. So this type of pratihare means the miracles in the Sanskrit terms, and they says in this way, chamatkar in the Hindi. Yeah? So after that, the 9th lunar, then again the Brahma, this four-faced God, came and worshipped to the Buddha from the Brahma Loka up there. From the Brahma Loka, he throw the flowers to the Shravasti in order to make worship to Buddha, and Dhamma and Sangha also take refuge Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha as a respect to Buddha. At that time, what's happened from 9 to the 15, he can change his body into the different figure. So this is started from the 9th moon. So the 9th moon, the Brahma was, this four-faced God was worshipping from the Brahma Loka. Brahma Loka means up there, the heaven. And the Buddha have, manifested his body till the Brahma Loka. Brahma can see, direct and they dialogue each other here. But his body, the lower portion was in the Shravasti, and upper portion reached to the Brahma Loka. So there, he make his body in the immeasurable big, cannot say immeasurable big, I mean the unbelievable big size still to the Brahma Loka from this Jambudvipa. So at that time, and not only have shown this, demonstrated this body in this way, from his body the lightning goes to the all universal, like a flash, full of blessing, and people feel it, and they feel happy, cooling, and blessing through by the Buddha's power. So it's happened on the 9th moon of Tibetan lunar calendars, the first month. So the in 10th moon, what happened? This 10th moon, according to the Tibetan lunar calendar, first month. I am repeating again and again. Maybe you can get some knowledge here of the Buddha's miracle power. So the 10th lunar, then at that time, all the great kings from the Sumeru mountain, those are like, the Dhritarashtra, Berupaksha, Berudhaka, and Vaishravana. You can see in the Tibetan monastery and Japan and China, and they like to put them in front of the outdoor, the 4 great kings. And they worship the Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha, and the competition between heretics and the Buddha was started. Actually, all heretics are already tamed already on the 8th lunar, but still the Buddha is remaining remaining to show his power to those heretic society with his own followers there, yeah. So Chaturdik Maharaj. Then at that time, what the Buddha have manifested, his body till Brahma Loka was before, yeah. He manifested it till after the peak of the samsara, the upper Bhavaragra, till there. Then again he have separated his all wisdom power with the different rates, which is manifested by the 5 Buddhas, yeah, like the Akshobhya Buddha, Ratana Sambhava, Amoga Siddha, and Amitabha. Yet it's not, the explained into the Theravada way. When the miracle things comes into the Buddha, in Mahayana is more, they explain in the more unique way, because they believe into the Buddha's power and blessing more than the Theravada system. This is the way of thinking, yeah, as well as bodhicitta's concept and miracle concept and blessing concept is more powerful into the Mahayanic way. So these things happen on the 10th moon, yeah, 10th moon. Then 11th moon, then at that time the Anath Pindaka, yeah, this the owner of the, sponsor of the Buddha, who has built the first big monastery in Shravasti, where the Buddha have done, all these miracles have shown in this place where the Buddha have done 24 to 26 rainy season retreat and main station of Buddha, where he have given many of his discourses, the nectar discourses, in order to wash up the people disorders and in order to show the path to the go to stage of liberation and enlightenment. He have given their special Vajrachetika Pranjana Paramita, Diamond Cutter Sutra also have given in the Shravasti. Yeah? So they at the 11th moon, and he have this Anathpinda worship to Buddha and took refuge again and again, and with many thousands of people. Then at that time, what happened? Buddha was sitting on throne. Then, the throne was there. Buddha, when he was first time, every people have seen Buddha was sitting on throne. After that, Buddha disappeared. Only, only remained there, the big lightning with the different colors, like a circling, like a Buddha shaving, yeah, but cannot see the proper body of Buddha. And these things was happened at that time, and all of audience have seen there. And this type of the rays, and rays were the radiating from these thrones and go here and there, and Buddha was the sound of teaching was there. Sabba papa sakiranam kusalasya upsampada sachite pariyota pannang yatang buddhanusasranam. Don't comment any of evil deeds, accumulate merit, control on your mind, tend on your mind. This is the essence teachings of Buddha, something like this. I'm giving you some example. Yeah, so the Dhamma sound was there, and every people have enjoyed and rejoiced with this Dhamma teaching, and immediately they could able to understanding of the the essential meaning of this type of teaching. But Buddha was not appearing there, only the circle of lightning like a Buddha's body shape there. And this miracle have shown on the 11th moon of this month. Yeah, then after that 12 moon, then other rest of the all of the Buddha's followers from Shravasti and Kapilavastu and also from Rajagriha and wherever they have come and gathered there, they make how to say sponsor to this big gathering, and they worship the Buddha and took refuge into Buddha Dhamma and Sangha. Then after that what he have seen from his body, the Buddha was appear sitting on the big lotus sitting there, and from the one body, the main body is one, from there 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 7, many thousand of the Buddhas appear in front of them in within few seconds, few minutes you can say. He have shown his one body into the thousand body, and after that more than more, all universe, all that area was full of the Buddha's body have seen there and radiating from there, and whoever touch with that rays which is radiating from the different types of Buddha everywhere, everywhere up there, south, west, north, east, and everywhere they have seen the Buddha, and every people feel very delight and very rejoice with Buddha's blessing. And this thing happened on the 12th. And the 13th moon, the Buddha was sitting on the throne. At that time, only from the Buddha's the navel chakra, in the navel point, how to say, like something like, about 1,000 of sun putting into the one way, something, this is the example, the unbelievable brightening and radiating light comes through by his navel chakra and make like a very big flash into all of those area and all universe. They says the 3,000 galaxies are bright up at that time. They says in the sutra in this way. So this is happened on the 13th lunar, Then after that 14th lunar, what happened? Then again the Indra Raja, Indra king came and he worshipped the Buddha and took refuge into the Buddha. And after that, what happened? This Indra have, the offer by many flowers to the Buddha. When he was offering flowers is dropping onto the space. All flowers are changing into the chariot, at the time the chariot, the horse cart, horse cart. But not like today, it was very special. The horse cart have like sitting Indra and full of ornamented, and then all flowers are changing into the horse cart, the horse block cart, horse cart, ox cart, something like this, cars, and changing in all the space full of those carts. In like the rainbow bodies, all of those miracles have shown in this way. And the Indra become very surprised, and he says, Buddha, you are incomparable. You are the power of unconditional compassion, love, wisdom, and you are, the embodiment of power of all miracles. You are the great Guru. You are the universal Guru, and he prostrated to him. So these things happened on the 14th lunar. Countless these chariots appear in front of the audience in the Shravasti. Then 15th lunar, and at that time the Bindusara king from the Rajagriha, who requested to Buddha to show the miracle powers, then he worshipped to Buddha and Pujemi Buddhang Pujemi, Dhammang Pujemi, Sanghang Pujemi, then Buddhang Saranang Dhammam Sangham. So he took refuge to there. Then after that he has offer the many delicious food in front of the Buddha, this King Bimsara. After that, Buddha blessed to eat, smell it. It's made in the countless, the delicious food in front of the Buddha. Then after that, every people have delight to eat this food, and this then story says in this way. And after that, when eating food, then Buddha has put his palm into the earth like this in the, the up to the downside, his palm like this, then down there from the hell beings to the, then he did his hand like this. All the hell beings, who were always into the uncountable suffering, incountable or uncountable, I don't know. They have immeasurable suffering. Then the hell beings, they feel delight and they feel something like liberating from the hell, and they got a feeling of Buddha's blessing. Definitely all of those, the hell beings are, they get the direction to go to the liberation side, So these things are happened there. It's saying in the story. This quote is from one of the Tibetan prayers, which is written by Shakya Pandita. Also, I have seen into the Pali literature, the Buddhist literature there, have many, I have seen before in somewhere the Buddha was having the mango, eating mango. After eating mango, this inside the mangoes, this inside seed, big seed of the mango, just he put into the earth, and after that he's washing hand, immediately mango trees are growing up and immediately giving fruit and something like this. This type of miracle have, Also you can see, and many of story you can see into the Dhammapadas, which is a collection of the Buddha Ghosha, the great teacher of Theravadin system, who composed all Dhammapada and many texts in together, Visuddhi Magga and all the Udanas, and they put in together. There is in order to understand the proper meaning of every gatha, every stanza, that's supported by the stories. And these stories, some of their stories have many things are connected with this miracle power of Buddha, from how he has the capability to show miracle in this incountable. So also if you can read the Saddhadharam Pundarika Sutra, inside how full of miracles, So Buddha have miracle, but once again, only learning miracle power to how to demonstrate it for people to attract to you. This is not Buddhist concept. It is totally wrong concept. But this power of miracle is arise into you. You can get the capability to show the miracle powers. Even you can do the, perfect shamatha meditation. These are the portion of meditation, not the portion of the vipassana meditation. Of course, vipassana meditation also have. When you have a vipassana understanding, those are not interested to show the miracle things. Also, the miracle things, if you want to know in more clearly, please read the story of Mahamoggallana, because Mahamoggallana was very unique and special into the showing and demonstrating the miracle powers. So that's all. Maybe I think you can get some knowledge of this Chontul Dawa. Chontul is the Tibetan word. Chontul means the miracles, powers, how to show. The Chontul Dawa means, so the first lunar, first moon to the 15th moon, this half month, according to the Tibetan lunar calendar, after New Year. New Year when start till the full moon, these things, what's happened into the Buddha story. Maybe according to the different calendar in Theravadin way is maybe in different period, but actually the showing miracles, they believe all, Theravadin, Mahayana, Vajrayani, Zen Buddhists, every people believes into the Buddha's miracle power. So nowadays, many of Tibetan monasteries, because of this precious blessing month of the Buddha, and many of the monasteries they are doing the Nyungne fasting retreat, and some monastery are reciting the billion chanting of Om Mani Padme Hum and other type of the rituals and pujas in order to benefiting all sentient beings through by the Buddha's blessing, and they are doing these things there. This is in Tibetan way of thinking they do in this way with full of devoted mind and interested mind, and they put a lot of how to say effort to establish the good merit, to accomplish good merit in order to benefiting all sentient beings. In my understanding, if our mind is very pure, devotion is there, compassion is there, also development is dharma is there inside our mind. And whatever we create our activity, you need to connect with the metta, the loving kindness, in according to the Mahayana concept, the bodhicitta, and full of devotion to the Guru Devatakini and Buddha Dharma and Sangha, and we need to accomplish merit. In special this period is this pandemic, situation of this COVID-19. Yeah, sometimes it's very light, sometimes it becomes strong. Still is unsettable here in our world. Especially this type of occasion, we need to do the good merit and good prayers to remove this type of, the obstacles. Also, we need to develop ourselves, individual practice inside to us, because we need to leave from this samsara. Yeah, everything we need to leave here. So it's now, the sun is shining, coming on my face. Yeah, it's nearly like 4 p.m. here in Sopema. I'm speaking from Bodhicitta Foundation, Sopema. May all be auspicious. Nobody gets suffering, all body feel happy, and may everybody could able to understand Dhamma. Bhavatu sab mangalam rakhantu sab devata sab buddhana bhaven, dhammanu bhaven, sanghanu bhaven, sada sukti bhavantu te. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.